Well, we're at Triple Falls at the Dupont State Park, and this is the most water that we've ever seen at Triple Falls. And I guess it's about a 20 to 30 minute ride from Adventure Village. Huge, tremendous rainstorm last night.
You gotta kind of get to the side.
Well, we've continued up from Triple Falls in the Dupont State Forest, and now we've reached High Falls, which has a tremendous amount of water. And perhaps you can see the edge of the covered bridge there at the top. And that's High Falls. Well, this is the new viewing area for High Falls. Tremendous rush of water after the recent rainstorm.
Look at this, man.
Well, this is your Adventure Village travel guide at Hooker Falls in the Dupont State Forest. And the water, just like the High Falls and Triple Falls, is running wild today. We've never seen it this high. And that's a wrap on the Hooker Falls, a 30-minute ride from Adventure Village. Well, Adventure Village campers were at a second view of Hooker Falls in the Dupont State Forest. And the water is just a roaring away here today.